in Miami. Room 926 at the Radisson. Hello.
Welcome. So this is the king room ocean view here at the Radisson Miami Beach. So as you come on in, you've got the bedroom here. You got a large floor lamp, not a full-length mirror, but a pretty good sized mirror here. You got a sitting area. You got a decent sized television with a large desk area. You've got your bucket for your ice, a couple of glasses, complimentary water. You do pay a $37 resort fee, so that's part of it. You do get the water. You got a coffee maker, a couple of glasses, a couple of cups there, and with sugar and creamer and all that good stuff. A chair, a couple of waste baskets, 6 drawers. It's quite a few drawers actually. You got a set of outlets, 2 110s plus 2 USB. Got a small lamp here. And guys, this is what you're paying for. You got an ocean view. You got a large pool out here. You got a beach, a couple of all the seating out there. So part of the resort fee, you do get access to the beach with lounge chairs and umbrella. So that's kind of a nice little feature there. But yeah, it's raining out here now, but still got people out there swimming. Looks like there's an upper deck with lounge chairs as well. It looks like in the very further down there is looks like a little private area with some umbrellas and whatnot. But it looks like a beautiful property. So each side of the bed, you got nightstands. You got again 2 110-volt outlets, 2 USBs, regular light there, a drawer, and we got the king size bed. It does have that beachy feel to it, so that's kind of a nice ambiance. And on this side, same setup. You got your light, you got another outlet, so 2 110-volt and 2 USBs. You got your phone to call downstairs or another guest room. Another drawer here. You got this this large rug. It's always kind of nice to have a rug with a hardwood floor. That's I like that feel to it. But anyway, as we come down to the we got the electronic thermostat, and we'll take a look here in the bathroom. So we got a large mirror, just one single sink, some decent counter space. Looks like they're using the Echo products for lotion, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Got tissue. So we also got a mirror here. It's also a magnifying mirror, so that's a good touch for looking at your face there. Down here we've got a hair dryer, another roll of toilet paper, some extra towels. And then we've got the toilet, and we've got the tub with the shower. Pretty basic. We'll take a look here in the closet. So we got a regular safe here, some hangers, and further down, let's open up this side. We've got a refrigerator. Ironing board and iron. And a large shelf to put stuff on.
And we just got here. About how long did it take us to get here from, we just left the Virgin Cruise.
So it took probably about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to get out here to the to Miami Beach. We're pretty much about mid-beach, but yeah. So we're looking forward to. We just got one night here. We normally don't do Radisson just because we got top tier at Globalist for Hyatt, and I had some points that were about to expire for Choice, and since Radisson is part of the Choice program, I had to use them or lose them. So that's why we ended up staying here for one night, and after tonight we're gonna get a Hyatt after this. But
We did pay an early check-in fee because it's a little after 11.
yeah, so they had charged us $34 for early check-in. Otherwise, we'd have to wait till about 2 o'clock. I felt the $34 is worth it. My wife has a headache, so she says. But anyway,
She does.
so $34 for the early check-in. I think $36 for the resort fee. So I ended up paying $70 out of pocket. I did have to pay, I think it was 45,000 Choice points. I think the room was probably going for, I want to say about $450 all in. So $70 versus $450 and some points I wasn't going to use for probably a long time. I'll take it. Like I said, we're here for one night. Beautiful beach stay. Love the view.